The Kenyan government is now demanding that the International Criminal Court hands over all the investigation files and evidence supporting the charges against 3 Kenyans for alleged witness interference. Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai has also declared that Kenya will not hand over the 3 suspects, Walter Barasa, Gicheru and Kipkoech, Bett, to the ICC as requested by ICC Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda. KTN's Duncan Khaemba begins our broadcast tonight.
During last weekend's Thanksgiving rally for the infamous Ocampo 6 following termination of all cases against them, President Uhuru Kenyatta was categorical on Kenya's stand with regard to the Hague-based International Criminal Court, ICC.
Hakuna mtu mwingine sisi tutaruhusu apelekwe pahali popote. Kama kuna sheria, tuko na makoti yetu hapa.
And now the government's chief legal advisor, Professor Githu Muigai, has stepped forward, stating Kenya's demand to ICC.
Kenya shall be engaging the ICC in seeking the handover of the investigation files, evidence, and other requisite information to support the preferring of charges and subsequent prosecution of the 3 persons locally.
The Attorney General admits that indeed the alleged witness interference against 3 Kenyans, Walter Barasa, Gicheru and Kipkoech, are serious charges as per Article 70 of the Rome Statute on witness interference, but he says due process must be adhered to.
If the court failed to cooperate with us on our request for material that they hold, we ourselves reserve the right to raise this issue at the State Parties Assembly, and in particular to raise issues about the conduct of the prosecution.
With regard to Kenya's continued status as state party to the Rome Statute, the AG says,
Kenya, as a measure of good faith, will not take unilateral action on this issue until the discussion within the AAU has been exhausted. Once that discussion has been exhausted, and depending on the outcome, Kenya reserves her right to act in her own national interest.
On Tuesday, a section of the Opposition Alliance Code appeared to dismiss calls for Kenya's withdrawal from ICC.
Our extent of engagement with the ICC is not time-bound by the pronouncements or proclamations of the President.
The government says the setting up of the International Crimes Division at the High Court will be finalized in few weeks' time. Kenya's latest demand on ICC is a classic example of the hunter becoming the hunted on the debate of cooperation and non-cooperation. Duncan Khaemba, KTN News, Nairobi.